Rick Champlin here. I'm just going to give you a walkthrough tour of this home that's about 90% done. It's a custom home we've been working on. It's really nice. Still got a few things we need to finish up, but looking pretty great. We're on the front porch right now. It's early morning. Got some nice timber work. Walk into the great room area. Some beautiful built-ins around this nice big fireplace. Carrying into the kitchen here. Still got some trim work to do around the appliances. Got a range hood that's going to be installed. Turning, we've got the dining area on that side. And we've got the entry from the garage. Got some nice lockers built in here. 8-foot tall doors, some nice built-in cabinetry here. This direction we've kind of got another drop zone here. Back side of the kitchen. And we come into the laundry room. Nice cubbies. Again, built-in cabinetry here. We get the washer and dryer on this side. This is going to be an office back here. We've got a shipping container in the backyard for storage. Move a shed. We've got the master bedroom here with this huge vaulted, well, not vaulted, but super tall ceiling with those big dormer windows up in there. Walk back into the owner's suite. Got the toilet room off the side. This side we've got the double sinks. Built-in linen cabinet. Then we've got the shower and bath. Still trimming out the shower here. The tub. And the cool detail is this tile actually goes all the way up the ceiling and across and comes into the shower space here. A nice U by Moen shower system. It's pretty slick. And the master closet. Go out back. Some nice retaining wall built up there. Space out to this side. We have a nice big concrete patio. Got some patio furniture here that's going to be built soon. This wraps around, goes back here to this nice covered space. We've got it wired for TV. We've got a box here to put a hot tub eventually. Yeah, pretty nice house here coming together.